tell him to stop because my cousin probably my cousin know what they say, yeah, support, but support. So my cousin say, he don't have a problem, him don't have a problem for me shoot because me a shoot and him don't have a control over that. What other one the party now when him Chucky say, but a him cousin, so he don't have a problem, but he may have shades and that style too. But more they know say me name Rick Russell, serious judgment paper can make I put on me pyjama bottom and go to road say if me know I make up nice at the hotel I go bring them down. He no name the David 6, he name Davidan, our paper gun. He name Kevin Wilson, soldier. No, me have to give him a reaction in Diva. See no Diva, me have to give him a reaction.
I'm touchy sitting now, I'm a jump off.
So Pepper answer me now. You do give you do click your life that Pepper come show me where you make out a Pepper a long time in the palm
No,
Pepper.
nice, no nice girl, I know nobody take me down. I'm touchy sitting on my jump.
I Pepper me know let me call about.
Talk, what you say now? You want me to you should do. It will only come from the same community, not true.
Yeah, and I want that Pepper, you see, me used to cook for him, Pepper. Me, David say, Rick, go cook chocho or salt mackerel for me. Me love when you cook chocho or salt mackerel.
You should not say that then funny life. Would I bring him down then?
And me used to wash for him, Pepper. So all me a batty man, I me used to wash and cook for you. So you and batty and water.
So you never know say you're batty man long time?
And that me used to cook and wash for him.
And you know say your brother used to sleep?
Me not like Pepper, me not go there so. We don't know what you talk about later. Man, later this kind of Pepper you go to for blood clot.
You know, I your secret when you used to call me and tell me pan food.
Aye, tappy nice. Blood clot, you have to hold a mute now too. Who this which girl this? Direct.
David, how you did it when Tikki used to run go down high school to go get connection? And what you did that when me just have to send phone card for Tikki call him boy. David, when you want to come class Tikki on the media.
I wish Direct this I walk wash her pussy and her hand in a patch on the phone screen.
Tikki bring down your soldier boy. Bring her down.
Yeah, bring him like super lot of Pepper, you know me can. Me go draw him like how hands draw bone no blood clot Pepper, you mad? And have you no potion to boy?
But Tikki, not call out his right name.
Me call out anything about him. I me have a respect for him mother for a long time. Me no post all of him to Pepper. You know me I go for the whole family.
Oh God, you wrong.
Me not go for the mother now do. Me not go for the mother now do. Me just now go that part now. But me I go bring down Davy. Me tired of Davy.
Oh, tired of your sister.
Every time, and I'm a Pepper and I'm a cousin life me go pan.
You should not say that. Oh, tired of vibes. You should not say that. All right,
every time.
Section. Bring him down in the comment section.
All right, auntie. I wish woman this up at name Audrey. Miss your graduate. You look like a decent bitch by your graduation picture right there. So what?
Achoo. What's up? You're looking nice though.
That's all.
No, the argument and the thing, never them dry out.
And that's just any request street and fall decline me a declining. Me can't know all that uno come like a so cool it up. Me would watch generate. Yeah, Anine more than me. Anine was that we want to hood this morning. Yes, Shana. Yeah, me moderator.
Hey.
Present.
Me tell you day out. It's not every action need a reaction.
No, need a reaction. Listen to me now,
hear
Shana.
some things and just
Listen to me. Listen to me now. Me know way. Finna ignore me know if you don't ignore. At times David they call me did want to bring down David, but me just never want to bring him down like that. Me did want to have a reason. So like you fuck with me now, me supposed to bring him down. If me don't bring him down now, you know.
Yeah, Tikki and everybody if you give attention, you know. Sometimes you have to make them stay same place.
They're $50.
Me I send it to
Man. Sorry, moderator, this can end up this can send back your request.
Tikki, not the boy that way you used to do with the man in brothers, so we are
bringing him down. We don't come about that. Blood clot.
Don't bring him down, Tikki, remember your ex girl. Give him a chance.
You me not go that way, you know.
Give him a chance, daughter. Give him a chance, daughter. Choo.
Oh. Moderator remove him. You know, mom, you know, you used to take, you're going like you used to traffic me to khaki.
Best friend, anything you do that we work with.
Thank you so much, auntie.
Anything you depend on that we work with, when they in the comments.
Alright, go and work your finger. Then remember you type fast like you're a cashier, my love.
Yeah, my love.
And Davy, brother, Davy, I don't want to bring on all your brother, you know. Who man this, sir?
Tikki,
Present.
anything or anything. Can you pass your
Alright.
place if you get it? Yeah.
Alright, you took that.
Yeah, right.
Misha.
Take me down.
I want some people love the fuckery, you know. Misha, me nah stop. I me never trouble Davy. Eating yamtos, liptos, liplitos, basic school boys, primary eaters, or secondary yamas. What you say? Davy remember pool party keep under your foot. You walk and take fuck like rabbit. Eh? What you mean by highway robbery? Make people them know so where you get the free money them from, cause the soldier work and hit pay you. And the food them you thief out of the JDF camp, the rice and the flour and the meat them and the big bucket for pig steal and walk and sell. Natalie tell me, hey, I don't want to go into the details, you know. I don't want to call nobody near my blood clot. I want to fight that warrior. Auntie real rich what happen? Davy, real rich I beg your puss. I treat you now, me know. It beg you something must cry out me or in my pussy. Davy, what you mean by soldier Davy me attack? Are you do highway robbery? When they send out your patrol, Davy, you get to see the people them with the illegal stuff, them, Davy, you charge money for it. I remember you do sweet steaks too. Everything me I tell you, say your brother tell me only have bitcoins. Jesus Christ, how me I go do that now, auntie? You know, recharge. Every time you ask me for something, you say you have bitcoins. You stop shoot for me. I want for me pussy in make baby burp oink. No, me not talk nothing paper, me don't say nothing more. No, I hold for people that want thief and stuff them and sell gay. I want big man, I Yankee run a big business place, did I tell me to? Everything when me I tell Davy, say Davy brother tell me. Everything. Davy a long time me I ignore you still, you know. And me go bust it up all of him if me hear say him up in female also something you see. I go talk also something to blood clotting, free if make a call much more for walk per road. And when me attack me come with proof too. Remember me come with proof and me ever saw memory chick hide. Tiffy, Davy. I him same one me attack paper. Davy went teeth them short like baby to one. Hermaphrodite. Cocky duster. Dirty Davy. What did you have fuck Yannick in a body at you? Yannick never did that gear yellow film. Stinking Davy. Dirty Davy, fuck out. Davy me say what? I say must clat ya Miss Maria your mama. If I never Miss Maria your mama, you see me bring you down. If I never Miss Maria your mama, me bring down all of she. Cause me a girl when me I go for girl no blood clot, me go for the whole family. I chew Miss Maria your mother. Me a go give her a blood clot as me know she go back here and talk about